In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in Gohighlevel. If you want to quickly check how your email looks before sending it to your audience, this is a simple and useful feature to know. Sending a test email helps you review the layout, confirm your content looks right, and catch any last-minute issues before the campaign goes out. To begin, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you are inside the correct sub-account. This is important because emails, campaigns, and settings are managed at the sub-account level, so you want to be working in the right location before making any changes. Once you're in your sub-account dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Marketing. This section is where Gohighlevel groups tools related to outreach, including email features. From there, click on Emails. That will take you into the email area, where you can manage different types of email activity and review existing content. Next, click on Campaigns. This is where you'll find your saved or scheduled email campaigns. If you already know which email you want to test, this step helps you go directly to it. Now open the campaign that you want to send a test email for. You may see a list of campaigns, so just choose the one you'd like to review. After that, open the campaign itself so you're inside the editor or campaign details page. Once the campaign is open, move your attention to the upper menu area and click on the three dots. This usually opens additional options that aren't shown directly on the main screen. In that drop-down menu, click on Test Email. This is the option that allows you to send a preview version of the campaign so you can check it in an inbox before sending it more broadly. And that's it. You've now reached the option used to send a test email in Gohighlevel. A quick tip before you finish. When you send a test email, take a moment to review the subject line, formatting, spacing, images, and any links inside the message. It's much easier to fix small issues during testing than after the full campaign has been sent. It's also a good idea to view the test email on both desktop and mobile, if possible, since formatting can look slightly different depending on the device. This is a fast workflow, but it's an important one if you want your emails to look polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and that's how to send a test email in Gohighlevel.